हेलो एवरीवन, इट्स मी अगेन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग आए हैं मनाली के इस हॉस्टल में एंड दिस हॉस्टल एज अ नेम सजेस्ट ये एक हॉस्टल चैन है। जैसे डिफरेंसेस कि यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स नहीं ट्रैवलर्स रहते हैं और यहाँ पर डेली बेसिस पे बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़ और हाइकिंग्स होते हैं एंड दिस प्लेस मनालीज हॉस्टल इज स्पेसिफिकली नोन फॉर इट्स वाइब। सो व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर, लेट्स गेट सम हॉस्टल वाइब्स। This hostel is located in Old Manali. And no need to mention, as this is Manali, it is very cold here even at 10 o'clock in the morning. And the weather is very pleasant. And you will find sanitizers here on each floor. This hostel has 3 floors and we are going to have tour of each floor in the latter part of this video. यहाँ पे इस हॉस्टल में मैं बहुत सारे ऐसे लोगों से मिली हूँ जो यहाँ सिर्फ 2 दिन के लिए आए थे एंड दे कीप ऑन एक्सटेंडिंग देयर स्टेज फॉर वीक्स एंड मंथ्स। तो चलो सुनते हैं उनके हॉस्टल के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में। सो यहाँ पे मैं इस हॉस्टल में मिली हूँ एक बहुत ही फन लविंग कपल से हु लव्स टू ट्रैवल, वीनू एंड सत्या। सो वीनू एंड सत्या, प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट योर जर्नी।
So he'll start first, I'll continue.
Yeah, we both love traveling and we both love backpacking a lot. So we've traveled a little to Maldives and all outside India, but more predominantly, I think India there is a lot to see. So we've covered more northeast parts. Like we've been to Leh Ladakh for almost 2 weeks, and then we've been to Meghalaya for 10 days, and we've really covered only 1/4 of Meghalaya in that 10 days. It's such a beautiful place. And then pandemic gave us another chance. Like we thought, like let's extend this further. And Manali was always in the dreams to go there. And now you know what, vacation and everything. We thought like this is the best time to come, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful, and the treks here are mesmerizing.
So the backpackers hostel, they give you the experience of, exploring the places. So people keep coming telling that, you have this place to go, you have this place to go. So mostly it's like you get to know of the places where people don't feel like going there. It's so much of travel, okay yaar, chalega chhod de. So those places are very awesome and you'll get to know only if you are in backpackers hostels like this.
ये सेम हैपेंड विद मी। घर से कुछ और प्लान करके आए थे एंड नाउ वी मेट न्यू
Your
पीपल
iti-
एंड so
your-
now our plans are totally different.
Yeah.
Your itinerary will be completely changed. Like
Yes, yes.
what was the initial plan and what you've enjoyed is
Yeah.
totally different.
Yes,
New places, totally. Yeah, great.
Yeah, yesterday complete day we were in hostel and yeah.
It's worth actually.
Yeah,
Hostel
and
itself
that
is
was
one
not
of the
even
place
plan.
to
We thought,
visit.
okay, we'll visit that cafe, we'll visit somewhere else, but yeah, we didn't even realize we spent a whole day over here.
Totally worth it. The hostel, these backpacker hostels are totally worth it. Yeah.
So we had been to this kind of a hostel kind of thing in Meghalaya as well. So that is backpackers hostel. So we had met lots and lots of people from different zones of the world itself. So people coming from Ukraine, people coming from England.
Wow.
They make new friends, they chat. So they share their stories and all. So people of different talents, from music background, dance background, film background.
Yes.
So
YouTubers.
so artists, you get to know of everyone's stories. You don't get bored. It's not like you're sitting at home in a room and you and your family are chatting. It's like lots of friends getting together as if you have known them since long. So beautiful stories, beautiful sharings happen in hostels, backpacker hostels.
Yeah, I see people here like working from 9 to 6 or whatever their office timing,
Yeah.
and after that
Yes.
they're having
People
fun.
tend to close their work by 4 and people get to know, they are very much ready to share their stories with rest
So
of the people.
now I have
around.
one question for Satya. So I would like to tell my viewers that Satya is a CEO of one of the IT companies. So what do you think about this work from home? Like,
Work from mountains.
yeah, work
Work
from
vacations,
mountains.
right?
Yeah, vacations.
It's not just work from mountains.
Yeah.
Work from anywhere. Like
Yes.
some people could work from a beach, right?
Yeah.
Some could go to a mountain, some could go to a remote village. But the whole idea is it's brilliant because pandemic actually gave a new sense of work. Few people slog, a few people are smart. They complete their work in a scheduled time and everything. But all of it common, what they miss is exploring new things. Like I'm from a city called Vijayawada and I work in Hyderabad. Okay, so whatever it is, whatever the volume of work I do, I end up in Hyderabad only, right?
Yes.
But what this gave us an option is you could travel somewhere, work from somewhere else, and all these new experiences, new climate. Like I'm from Hyderabad, this weather is fantastic. Man. Like,
yes.
these things, like if I go to Goa, if I end up in a beach, imagine wrap up your work, close your laptop, and the next thing you see is a beach. Beautiful things, right?
Yeah.
It suddenly gives a new purpose of life as a whole. It's not like Hyderabad, hometown. People only have two stations every time. Right?
Yes.
Where do you work? Where do you live? It's
Yeah.
fun. It's funny. People never ask, where do you go? Now suddenly it's a new thing. Like, dude, where are you working this month? And from a budget perspective as well, because that's
Yes,
a very
yes.
important thing, right?
Yeah.
All of us not at Ambani's, right? So
Yeah.
from a budget perspective as well, let's say I stay in Hyderabad, and if I pay 20,000 or 30,000 as a rent.
Right.
To my place, right?
Yes, yes.
Food and all, let's say. The same thing, the same budget is pretty much
Yes,
more or
yes.
less here. Maybe
More or
5,000 here or there.
yeah.
But you get to live in a completely new exotic city every
Yes.
month.
Yeah.
Dude, you know what? Your map pins on the map are
Maps.
suddenly a lot more with the same budget. You
Yeah.
get to meet new people and things, right? So for me,
yes.
it's a great thing that people are able to unwind, and I think people are actually loving their work now more.
Okay.
If not hating less. People are loving it because they feel cool, man. You know what? I'm able to
Yeah.
earn more and I'm able to travel more. That's brilliant.
Yes, yes.
And productivity wise, I really haven't seen any dip. Initially, probably first 2 weeks, people
Yeah,
thought, chalo yaar, holiday, enjoy karte hain. And then when people realize ki this is the new norm, people
Yeah.
are doing it, man. This has to be there. Even companies really has to encourage people ki, of course, internet connectivity has to be there. That if that little thing can be taken care of, beautiful experiences.
और यहाँ पे इस हॉस्टल में मिली हुई एक बिजनेस एनालिस्ट जैना से, who is from Nagpur and she is working here since 7 days. So Jaina, please tell us about your experience.
Hi Vaibhavi. So yeah, I came here on last Saturday. So it has been a very nice experience. Like कुछ दिन मैंने काम किया and कुछ दिन I took off since I am in hills. So I was like, let's take
That is
off
must.
and let's take off and just explore nearby places. So yeah, the vibes are very very cool. Hostel, the manager, the community manager, everyone is very cooperating, supportive, and very enthusiastic. Because imagine they might be meeting so many people daily, but still they have that enthu with each and every person. So that's something very commendable.
Yes,
and
I too felt that. Like they
Yeah.
are very cooperative.
yeah, and that's why I think that is the reason why the vibes are so chill here. And I met very good friends here. Like I made good friends here.
From different
So
backgrounds.
yeah, different backgrounds. We after work we hang out, we chill, we go to eat together. So जो चीज़ के लिए हम people are doing vacation, जिस चीज़ के लिए घर से बाहर जा रहे हैं, उसका purpose यहाँ पे fulfill हो रहा है. You have a change. You can work with a fresh mind, and it's the weather is so beautiful that no matter कि तुम्हारा दिन कैसे जा रहा है, you will be happy at the end of the day.
So this is exactly what you expected. Like घर से जो सोच के आए थे
Yeah.
वही हो रहा है यहाँ आके.
Yeah,
और maybe
better than that I would say.
That's
That's all.
Thank you so much, Jaina,
Most welcome.
for sharing your experience. So this is my first day at hostel और यहाँ मैं मिली एक बहुत ही talented brand manager केतन से, who turned into a music composer in the mountains. So
Hi everyone. So as you know, when you work from mountains, you can't help yourself but go deep and खुद को ढूंढने लगते हो. तो ऐसे ही कुछ मेरे साथ हुआ. मैं भृगु लेक गया and just sitting there and wrote reprise version of one song that I hope you like. So here it goes. बैठे शिखर की चोट पर बिछड़े ख्वाबों के मोड़ पर खुद के अंदर ही झांक कर तुझसे शिकायत ठान कर जिंदगी जो तूने दे दी पर मंजिल बताना भूल कर करके रहम इस राही पर जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी देखा जो मैंने उम्र भर यादें भी थी या सिर्फ नजर कहता रहा तू कर्म कर आजमाया कि अब ना तू डर सुन कर तू दिल की हर डगर राहें तो है बन हम सफर हंसती रहे तेरी कब्र जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी थैंक यू
वाओ, थैंक यू सो मच। मैं भी यहाँ पे माउंटेन्स में और एक मंथ के लिए हूँ, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आई डिस्कवर अबाउट माई सेल्फ। Thank you, Ketan.
थैंक यू सो मच
So during this pandemic, many IT experts are also moving to mountains, and I met one of the software engineer in this hostel. So Nihas, please tell us about your hostel experience.
ओके सो दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम इन हॉस्टल। मैं यहाँ पे पहली बार आया हूँ। इससे पहले आई वॉज लाइक इन आई वॉज इन अदर हॉस्टल्स, बट हॉस्टल एक्सपीरियंस वॉज रियली डिफरेंट। मुझे बहुत पसंद आया बिकॉज ऑफ द वाइब इट गिव्स यू, देयर आर पीपल कमिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ. So yeah, this was a cool experience, and also I did work from mountains from here, which was pretty awesome because the Wi-Fi connectivity and everything is very good, and you get also a lot of common spaces here, so you can मतलब काम करके आप बैठ के अच्छे से काम कर सकते हो without any disturbances. और रात के टाइम में like you can have parties and all, you can go outside and have dinner and you can enjoy live music. So it was pretty awesome experience. I would love to come back again in hostel.
Okay, so and what about the view? Like what difference you face like घर से काम करने में और यहाँ पे? Like
घर पे क्या हुआ था ना, एक बोर्डम आ गया था, मतलब सिटिंग इनसाइड द फोर वॉल्स फेसिंग योर लैपटॉप, कुछ नहीं था घर पे, एंड लाइक
बिकॉज
स्ट्रेसफुल हो गया था.
लाइक न्यू नॉर्मल, बट कोई भी चीज़ अब बहुत रेगुलर हो जाती है तो वो एक मोनोटोनस
एब्सोल्युटली एग्री विथ यू, वो मोनोटोनस हो गई थी, तो मुझे चेंज ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट चाहिए था. और मैं हॉस्टल आ गया बिकॉज यू गेट टू मिक्स विथ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हियर, तो एक अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट है यहाँ पे काम करने का, एंड यू ऑल्सो गेट टू सोशलाइज विथ पीपल, तो वो बोर्डम दूर हो जाता है यहाँ.
Yes, like I felt like little bit like office because घर पे बस अकेले you are working, and now you can see like many people working together with their own laptops.
With their own laptops, yeah. So even like they are working separately, but you get those chai breaks and all which you used to get in office.
Yes.
So together you're going to lunch break, chai break. So it give you that office wala feeling also.
And थोड़ा office वाला conversation also you have, like
yeah,
similar kind of.
Yeah.
People are from IT, so you.
So regarding conversations and topic, मतलब trust me, यहाँ पे you will get to talk on lot of topics because people are coming from different walks of life. From different cultural background, from different states, so you get lot of topics to talk about, and that's a pretty awesome experience.
And you learn a lot.
You learn a lot. Yeah, right. So
thank you so much, Nihaz, like for sharing your experience with our viewers.
It was pleasure that you had me in your channel. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is all green now, but if you come here during the month of January, then the entire hostel will be covered in snow. Now let's go and explore more. Wow. ये शायद उन लोगों की पेंटिंग है जो यहाँ आके गए हैं. दिस पेंटिंग्स एंड राइटिंग्स. यहाँ के हर रूम को हिमालय के एक वैली का नाम दिया हुआ है. And each wall of hostel you will find paintings, writings and feelings of the people who visited this property, and it's fun reading those. And this is the second floor. As this is a hostel, each room has 4 beds. So if you're looking for a budget friendly stay, then you must stay here. And even if you're not looking for a budget friendly stay, then you must experience this hostel. And of course, if you want, you can find private rooms here as well. But for a proper hostel experience, one should always prefer dorms. और ये है हॉस्टल का मैप. सो हियर यू कैन फाइंड कि इंडिया में कहाँ कहाँ हॉस्टल्स हैं. और ये है मेरी हॉस्टल की सबसे फेवरेट प्लेस, कॉमन रूम. यहाँ बहुत सारे गेम्स और बुक्स हैं. एंड आई रियली हैड ए ग्रेट टाइम हियर ड्यूरिंग माई स्टे. And in hostel you will find lots of common places where you can sit during your office hours and work with a view. और ये है हॉस्टल का गार्डन कैफे. You just have to scan your menu and get your Instagram worthy breakfast. And of course, it is delicious too. और ये है कॉमन एरिया जहाँ रात में पार्टी होती है. So that's it from hostel and people of hostel. I must say that this may not be the best property of the Manali, but it has definitely got the best vibes. Do hit the like button if you like the virtual tour of hostel and subscribe to this channel for more such wonderful videos. Till then, bye bye.